Gonna hop over to my live streaming. All right. Make sure all the things paused, because it doesn't always pause. You stop. See, I knew it. Pause. And pause. I still have Milga open. Close. Hey Nidge, how's it going? You already remember what I'm doing. I said I'm making a Minesweeper. It'll be just black and white console though. Minesweeper. So why did this change? No, it's D projects. Add. Let's go ahead and add a few things. Obviously, we need main. What the fuck? Alright, computer, that's the second time you've done something weird in less than a minute. Copy paste. By the way, how's the audio? Is the music too loud? I can turn it down if so. Minesweeper.h. Minesweeper.cpp. There we go. H can go here. That would include upstream space std main and argc char .argv. Booyah! Return 0, but before you do that, I need you to system pause on me. You guys can't see that, can you? Let me help y'all out. That's probably better. Alright. Pound include Minesweeper. My goal is to say Minesweeper Bob. Wow, Bob.is running. Bob.update. Bob.draw, kind of nonsensical. And that's it. Now let's actually make Minesweeper. Pound, if and def, Minesweeper H. Pound, define, Minesweeper H. And diff, Minesweeper H. Class Minesweeper. It only seems like magic or foreign until you get to know it. Then it's just like talking. Minesweeper constructor. Minesweeper destructor. I'll have an init function. I'll have a shutdown function. Obviously I'll have a update. And a draw. Bull is running. Shit! Undo! That almost sucked. Alright, I hit copy, not delete. Uninclude Minesweeper. Well, willing to tutor if you want to learn. Just not on Sundays or Wednesdays, because I've already got someone on those days. Oh yeah. Constructor, nothing. Init is running. Equals true. Before you do any init, you shut it down, the old shit. Shut down any pre-existing data. Destructor, just call shutdown. Oh, that's right, it's lowercase. Why are you red? Shut down. Clean up anything dynamic here. Alright, let's just try a test draw real quick. So to do that, I'm just gonna draw some bullshit real quick. But to do that, I need the IO stream using std cout. Alright, so I want you to cout a space, a tab 0, tab 1, tab 2, tab. Well, why don't I just make a for loop? Good idea. For int ii equals 0, ii is less than 8 plus plus ii. Cout space and a tab. Cout ii and then another tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cout. Come on, man. New line. Then ii tab x. Hold on. This might work out great and it might look like shit. I'm not really sure yet. Come on with the caps. I'm battling my keyboard today, and it does not understand that if it wins the battle against me, I will smash it to pieces. I think if it knew that, it might behave a little better. Oh. Alright, let's see what happens. It's not very square. I mean, it's more like a rectangle. I'm gonna make the font larger so y'all can see it. It's a little better. Thing's massive. Oh, Jesus. There's no in between. You got 36 or you got 72. It's like, really? You gotta be kidding me. There we go. That's gonna have to be good enough. I know you guys can't see it, but there's a bunch of X's. Pretend like the X's are the Minesweeper field. So I would click on these things, basically. Oh shit, that's right. Kill it. Alright. Let's do some commenting, shall we? Constructor, Destructor, Accessor. You can go to the end. Initializes Minesweeper. Updates the game. Draws the game. Shuts down the game. There you go. All the functions defined. Members. I'm gonna need to make a structure for a tile. I'll call it tile. So what's the thing a tile has? A tile has a number or a value, I guess. That's int number for the number of bombs, num bombs. And the num bombs can be 0, which is blank, all the way through 8 bombs at the most around a tile. A bool for whether it's a bomb or not. A bool for whether it's revealed or not. I think that's it, right? Oh, no, you can also put a question mark on it. Flagged. Yeah, you can flag it and you can question mark it. So we'll have that as status. I'll make a integer called status, where 0 is none, 1 is flagged, and 2 is question mark. Okay. Really? You really think I typed that? You know what, keyboard? If you're listening, you might want to mute your mic right now. Yeah, that didn't feel good, did it, motherfucker? That's why you shouldn't do that to me. I tend to freak out and beat the shit out of you. Oh, okay, you think this is a joke. You know what? I got a solution for that too. www.newegg.com. Keyboards. Keyboards. What the fuck? Where are keyboards, goddammit? Yes, keyboards. Alright. Let's find your replacement, shall we? Then we'll wait for your replacement to arrive. Then I will take a hammer and I will beat you to death right in front of this other keyboard. That way it's kind of a double message. You learn that, oh shit, I shouldn't have fucked with him and now I'm dying. And the new guy gets to watch that and think, oh man, I better not fuck with this guy or that could be me. There, but by the grace of God goes I. Don't fuck with me, keyboard. It's only 50 bucks to beat the shit out of you. You think I won't pay that? I paid 3 times that. Don't do it, man. You think you're invincible. Because, what? Because it's the only one I got on hand right now? I'm patient, man. Amazon's got 2 days shipping, bitch. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I will not. I mean, I'll fucking. That'll be my. How many followers do I got? Let me see. Pause. My channel. I got 125 followers. I will make that the 130 follower celebration. We'll fucking film that shit on camera. I'll get a piñata, and instead of beating the piñata, I'll beat the hell out of you, keyboard, and then I'll have the piñata beat you up some. Don't fucking push me, man. Don't fucking do it. It's like, oh, I think I'm funny and original by challenging a man who can beat me to death. Yes, very challenging, very original. All the way up to the part where I kill you. Alright, so let's do this. So when you initialize, well, I'm gonna need, my game is gonna need bombs. So I need a tile pointer called, or it's gonna need a map. So I'm gonna call it map. It's gonna need the number of bombs stored. So we're gonna have num bombs. Why is it? Oh, that's number of neighboring bombs. Num neighbor bombs. Let's see. What else does it have? I think that's it, right? Just the map and the number of bombs. We'll figure it out as I go. So let's initialize this shit. In the constructors, or in the init, create a tile map. So map, well, let's shut down, I already handled that. So map, let's assign the value of new tile, and I want, we're gonna make a pound define for how big our map is. Pound define num calls as 8, so we have 8 columns. Pound define num rows as 8, so we have 8 rows. Num calls times num rows. So there should be 64 tiles that get created. Place bombs. I'm gonna make a function. Helper method. It's not gonna return anything. Avoid, lol. I'm gonna call it place bombs, and it's literally just gonna place bombs on the map. Alright, so for int ii equals 0, ii is less than num bombs plus plus ii. For every bomb we have to place, pick a random spot. If it's not already a bomb, plant a bomb, you terrorist. Else decrement the loop and try again. Alright. We're gonna need the seed random, so I'll do that in the init here. No, I'll do it in the constructor. srand time pound include cstd lib pound include seed time. So random has been seeded. So that means I have random numbers now. Pick a random spot. And spot. Spot is equal to a rand modulus num calls times num rows. I'll put that in parentheses, even though I don't need it. Alright. If map sub spot dot bomb, if it's true, then decrement the loop and try again. There you go. I gotta fix my comments now. If it's already a bomb, decrement the loop and try again. Keyboard, I swear to God. You know, I think that was the last time. MBU star? What the hell does that mean? Else plant a bomb, you terrorist. Alright, so map sub spot. True. There we go. So that should generate however many bombs you want, randomly generates them on the map. That's good. But that's only part of the steps. Place bombs. Now I've got to calculate the numbers in Minesweeper. Do I have Minesweeper? How does the computer not come with Minesweeper nowadays? You have an official site? What the fuck? Sure, I guess. Really? Give me a blank spot, please. Do I have the worst Minesweeper luck? Thank you. That's fucking annoying. Alright, so these blanks mean 0 bombs. The 1s mean 1, 2 mean 2, all the way up to 8. So for every tile, I need to find out how many bombs are in his neighborhood. Calculate bomb count. And I'm also going to need get neighbors. Get neighbors a good one? I don't think get neighbors would be that great. I could use vector. Vector event, get neighbors. There you go. Let's make these functions. Scroll to the bottom. Scope the functions in, part of Minesweeper. Can't believe this keyboard today. It's like, fuck you, Bruce. You're not my real dad. For int II equals 0, II is less than the num calls times the num rows, plus plus II for every tile. Calculate his neighboring bombs. Vector event neighbors. Neighbors equals get neighbors. You're gonna have to pass in the index, II. There you go. For int cur neighbor equals 0, as long as the cur neighbor is less than the get neighbors dot size. Really? Cur neighbor plus plus. I swear today is not the day, keyboard. You keep pushing me, I'm gonna beat the bloody fuck out of you. I'll enable my webcam just to do it in fucking stream. It'll be viral video on YouTube. Fat bald guy beats the shit out of keyboard. Police come and arrest him. All caught on video. Cats watch on in horror. Oh shit. Neighbors dot size. If neighbors sub cur neighbor dot bomb wait, I don't do that. Just do this. Say say map sub II dot number of neighbor bombs is 0 at the start. If it's a bomb, then congrats. Plus plus. Map. There you go. Now I get the joy of, when given an index, determine who his neighbors are. So let's see. MS Paint time. Oh god, it's so bright. We're gonna help our eyes out. You ready for this? That's much better, isn't it? Much better. Alright, so. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so let's say my chosen one is this guy right here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if my chosen one is number 11 here, then his neighbors are 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 15, 16, and 17. And I have to do the math for that. So I know how to get rows and columns. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to do it row by row. So I'm going to get 5, then 6, then 7, then 10, then 12, then 15, then 16, 17. The best way to do that is to try to go up a row if I can. If I'm at the top row, like if my chosen one was 2, I can't go up a row because there's nothing up here. And same if I'm at the bottom. If I'm like number 18 and I try to go down a row, I have to make sure it exists before I do it. Same if I'm on the left or if I'm on the right. Basically, check that I'm inside the boundaries before I do it. So let's do that. Alright. Determine my column and my row. My call equals index slash. Is it slash? No, I think slash is row. That's modulus index or num calls. So let's see. Let's make sure that's right. So let's see. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Modulus 5. Remainder 1. And what do you know? That's my column. So it worked. Int my row was index slash num rows. Even though I know it's right, we'll check. So 11 slash 5 is 2. So that's 0, that's 1, and that's 2. And up here, this was column 0, this was column 1. So it works. I think I'm not doing that quite efficiently. Is that right? Let's see if I have 8 rows. 7. Yeah. I could have done that better with a for loop, I think. Yeah, I don't like that. The logic's gonna repeat here, here, and here. We can definitely do better than that. Fuck it, another function. Do I want to do that? No. No, hand it the vector of int by reference. Nothing there. Minesweeper. Get neighboring calls. Index minus num calls. That should be the upper row. And also my vector, which doesn't exist yet for some reason. vector of int. What am I gonna call it? Neighbors. Push back index minus num calls. That should take it up a row. Now get neighbor calls should be pretty fucking easy, I would imagine. If I can go left, minus minus. If I can go right, plus plus. Alright, so how do I do that? Let's do if index is greater than 0, then the indices push back index minus 1. If index is greater than, or less than the number of columns minus 1, then the indices push back index plus 1. So that moves them over to the right. There's that. Add some. That should get me all the neighbors of a single cell. Alright, so the best way to see if this shit works is to fix the draw code so that it actually draws the shit. And you know what else helps? Before I even run this thing, let's clean up my dynamic memory. People like when you clean up after yourself. Don't be a fucking pig. If map delete map equals null. There we go. Main now let's fix the draw code. So now draw code just got a lot easier, I think. This is for every row, draw 8 things. So give me a... Can't do that no more. See out what? We're going to see out the map sub index dot number of neighbor bombs. And then, and that should do it. Cross your fingers. Oh, Jesus, that's bad. Did I not set you? You may stop now. It's a programming challenge. It's a programming challenge. My pupil's working on Minesweeper, but he ran into a problem. So I'm doing it now to make sure that I know the answer to it before I, you know, rest easy. Calculate bomb count. Alright, try that shit again. Helps if you call your function. There we go. Somehow they all have 3 bombs next to each other. I seriously doubt that's true. Or accurate. How did I fuck that up? They're all 3. That's so... Oh, because I'm a fucking moron. You know what helps? ++ index. Move to the next cell. There we go. Now let's see if this makes sense. How do I have 5? I don't think this is right at all. You can stop now. Obviously my math is not quite right here. Let's start simple. I place bombs. Let's just draw bombs. I'm gonna redo my draw because I think I'm fucking something up here. Let's at least label the damn thing. Draw title column for every row. Write the row number for every That's not right. 8 rows. Yeah, that's right. And then for everything on that row. Alright, so yeah, first I'm just going to draw if it's a bomb or not. So let's do that. Comment this out. See out. Let's see. Map subindex. Why? Why are you like this today? Bomb? If so, draw a B. Else, draw a... I don't know. What's good for not bomb? I guess space. Underscore. Just something. Dash. There you go. Alright, so you see out all that shit, and then I need a tab as well. Hey, come on. Thank you. So just show me what the bombs are. Clearly something's not right. Look at that. Every single one's a bomb according to this. Did I not set the bomb thing? Place bombs. What are you doing? What the fuck? Show me this function. Something weird's going on. Alright, I want to see map, because you're being weird. Map subspot. Alright. F10. You didn't do anything. Why? For int I is 0. I is less than number of bombs. Did I get that wrong? What the fuck? Number of bombs is 0. There are bombs, I promise. Oh, that's painful. You can hit the breakpoint? What just happened? Give me a constructor for this fucking tile. Because I can tell it's fucking with me. Bomb is false by default. And neighbor bombs is 0 by default. Revealed is false. And status is 0. Any other questions? Thank you. Fix this spot. False. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, that's so much better. Alright, so we have what looks like bombs are properly placed here. Do I have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only count 9. Wait, here's one. How did it get down there? I'm missing something. Oh, you fucking the font is being fucked up again. Stupid console. Or I'm tabbing too fucking soon. Why are you new lining before the new line is ready? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, yeah, I can't make the font any larger. I'm sorry, guys. But you know, I can open magnifying glass if I have to. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, what have you done? Alright, we'll just keep that there. Now, if I hit plus... Oh my god, they definitely make me regret this. But you guys can see. Alright, yeah, you can see. I have to trust that you can see. There's no way I can tell you. So let's give it a shot. We're gonna run it real quick. Alright, here goes. Zoom. Oh, Jesus. Oh. I think you can see that, right? Can you see the Minesweeper field? I need someone to type yes or no because I can't see my stream at all when it does this shit. Oh, that's rough. It's the best I can offer. Can see fine without the magnifying glass. Well, that's nice. Alright. Well, then I won't use it then. Alright, so the bombs are now that, so that should fix part of my problem. Let's see if my other code was right all along. So now I need to actually draw what I was drawing. Where's my draw function? Draw. We're going to try to draw what we used to have here. So if it's a bomb, draw a B. Otherwise, draw this. I got cast as a string, as a char. What is it called? Int to ASCII. There you go. What? They changed Itoa to take more than that? Radix? Really? 10. Okay. You know, decimal. Don't be weird. Value. A fucking buffer? Are you kidding me? You know what? I don't need you. I don't need you. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. It's called an if check, motherfucker. Ha! Got around you, didn't I? Outsmarted you. There you go. Cross your fingers. Bomb? 0 here. That's wrong. That should be 1. That should be 1. Looks like only the direct neighbors work. The columns. Alright, so let's see what I'm doing wrong there. Calculate the bomb count. I want to watch this in action. Neighbors. My count is 0. Get neighbors. I'm just gonna F10 for now. So index 0 has a few neighbors. He has the neighbor. Oh, I'm not doing diagonals, am I? 3? Is that right? That's not right. 0, 1, 2. Oh, it is right. Okay. There's my fucking problem right there. There's my problem. Perfect timing for that music. Alright, let's take a look. Bomb 2. I only see 1. What are you smoking? How the fuck did you get 2? Bomb. Two. 1. Once again, I actually do see 2 on that one. 1, 2. I don't know how the 0 got 2 though. And maybe I should move this to a graphics. It's actually hard to fucking see this on text. I'm not calculating my neighbors right at all. Watch that shit again. Number of bombs, 0. Get my neighbors, 3 of them. Index is 1, 8, and 7. I agree with... Wait, 7? How's your neighbor 7? How the fuck? He's getting his neighbors wrong. Something's wrong with my fucking get neighbors. God. I'm gonna punch you if you do that again. Alright. Neighbors. Determine my column and my row. I got that right. I'm gonna fucking breakpoint this. My column 0, my row 0. I agree. Neighbors nothing. Can my row go up? No. Get my row. So it should only come back with 1. And it did. That's good. Alright, so can we go down a row? Number of rows, which is 8 minus 7. 0 is less than 7. Yes. Push back. Index, which is 0, plus that, which is 8. So that's correct. So we have 0, 1, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the point is, it should work. I'm doing something wrong with that, so we'll figure it out. Alright, back to the code. So that one's right. Now, what's your problem? Step inside this. I want to see it with my own eyes. Step in. Get neighbors of 8. I agree. Can we add to the left? There it is. That's wrong. This needs to modulus. Yeah, it needs to modulus. No wonder. There you go. Fixed it. One more time. Bomb says there's 2. Let's see. 1. There is. It's right. says there's one. It's right. Yep. You know, I'm gonna double, or maybe even triple the amount of space between the rows here. Why are these all open still? I stopped them all. Like, stop isn't really stopping here. Not very fond of that. Alright, let's try to add more space between the rows. Maybe, I don't know, 2? We'll see what 2 looks like. What do you think? Think that looks more Minesweeper-ish? You think it'd be easier to read without the tabs? Alright, I can do that. I'm gonna try adding one more space first too as well. So it's the space that's hurting your eyes. I think I should just go ahead and put graphics. You know, just go ahead and do a 2D project. Make some fucking MS Paint pictures. At this rate. Alright, I'll try without the tabs. We'll try just one line. Oh, Jesus. Can you see that? That's no tabs. So you gotta, I'd have to get rid of the row number. You were wrong? Okay. That's funny. It's like, oh Jesus, what have I done? I think I should just break down and do graphics. The more I stare at it, the more I can tell it's going to be a headache. Let's just do that. Save this code. We're going to go ahead and do some graphics stuff real quick. I think it'll just save us time in the long run, instead of me sitting here bitching about it all day. Include. SDL. Wrong fucking folder. Wrong folder. Why don't you pay attention instead of whistling to the fucking music, Bruce? Might help you out. Alright. Can't help it, it's catchy music. You gotta admit that's catchy music. It's like, oh damn, he's got Chrono Trigger, now I gotta pay attention. Image lib. We're doing x86 apparently. There it is. I want to say it's SDL2 main.lib, SDL2 image.lib, SDL2.lib. Let's find out. How good is my memory here? Library 32, SDL2.lib, SDL2 main.lib, SDL2 underscore image.lib. I got it, good. Alright, it's graphics now. Now let's go ahead and start using SDL. Achoo! Sorry, I'm alright. Achoo! Oh fuck, I'm allergic to bullshit. I'm okay. I think. Achoo! Why hello Sam Cox, how the hell are you? I'm apparently allergic to this stuff. Back to debug. Now let's add my SDL wrappers. I'm missing something there. That's not the latest. Find out which one it was. Oh, I actually have experience doing tile-based stuff before. Do I remember you last week from your Dead by Daylight stream? I can't say that I do. I'm sorry. My memory is sucky, though. I have a hard time remembering what the fuck I had for lunch today, so. Temp CPP. Alright. Projects. Temp CPP. SDL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and utility 7. Copy. Minesweeper. Paste. Add them to my project. I'm streaming to 3 different places. I'm streaming to Twitch, to YouTube, and to Mixer. Alright, we are gonna change this up a little bit. So let's go ahead and initialize SDL, which means we need a pound include. SDL window, instance, init. The name of the window is Minesweeper. Resolution is 1024 by 768. Not full screen. In fact, everything else should be fine. Now we're going to initialize the input. Now we're going to initialize the textures. And then when we're done, we're going to shut it all down. If you're doing graphics, you might make more sense to do mouse input. Yeah, I've already got it. You're absolutely right. Alright, so now I need to actually change my draw function to instead of C outing shit, I need to draw the window. So let's go over to draw. This all changes right here. Clear the window. It's clear. Present the window. Now it should work. Here's my window. I can't do anything with it yet because it's not checking because it's not checking input. Falconer, are you telling me it's saying that it's alright. Thank you. C++, not Diablo. Why does it say Diablo? It shouldn't say Diablo, but I'll make sure it doesn't. Alright. So now every update the input. There you go. Now I should be able to move it around. Ah, what the hell? Okay, why are you frozen? That should be enough. What am I forgetting? And it should be working. I don't know why it's frozen. Oh, hold on. Maybe I do. Nope, no I don't. Shit, I don't have a clue. Oh, because of this fucking pause. Jesus, that's why. Thank you, Phil, for following. I appreciate it. Now it should work. So I have a window, I can move it, but I can't close because none of my buttons are checked right now. Well, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hide this fucking massive console window in the background. It does not need to be that big anymore. Let's go with that small. And get out of my life. There we go. Another thing I want to do is I think blue is an ugly color. So let's set the background color, or black. So let's set it to a bluish color. It's a little better. Now let's make it where if you press escape, the game ends. If you used to do C++ in your 20s? Oh man, that's my favorite language, Falconer. If the key pressed is escape, then running is now false. Alright, so I hit escape and it closes. Good shit. Now we get the joy of actually drawing, though. So let's draw some pictures, eh? MS Paint time, man. Calculator. 1024 divided by 8 is 128. Oh, my map's gonna have to be freaking, oh my god, look at all these. Close them all. That's horrible. My window's gonna have to be a square, isn't it? I don't know if it can do that. Can it? Let's see. Oh god, that looks horrible. That's a square? Stop. Y'all let me know if the music's too loud. I can always turn it down. I know it might be a little loud. Yeah, it's the title bar. I agree. At least that's my hope. Alright, so in Minesweeper, when a square is not shown, it's like a gray, a dark gray. I'll call it hidden. Lowercase, hidden. there is. There's a way you can remove the title bar. Project's mine. I think it's a flag in my own setup, in fact. Hidden.ping. Save. Alright, when you click on it and it reveals and it's blank, like it has 0, then it's kind of a lighter gray. File save as. I guess I'll call it blank.ping. After that, we start to get the numbers. If I remember right, they're colored, aren't they? Like one is green. Oh god, it looks horrible. That's good enough for me. I'm not a great artist. I'm not in this for the art. 1. And then I guess green 2 would be like yellowish. 2. There we go. What the fuck? Like, where did it go? Two. This is gonna take me a minute, guys. Alright, so 3 is even more serious. You see 3, you know you're getting into oh shit land. Hey, fucking, I made this way too large, didn't I? There. 3. Why do you do that to me? And then it makes the box massive again. Like, you know what? I don't like you either, buddy. Three. It's gonna take me a minute, guys. I'm not a good artist, so. And then we get into even bigger numbers, like 4. Alright, I'm not falling for it this time. Not selecting shit. Why are you like this to me? Undo! You think you got me. I know you think you beat me. You think you beat me, Paint. You didn't beat me. Watch this shit. Ready for this shit? I don't think he's ready for this shit. Gotcha, bitch! Alright, quit being a bitch to me, program. And let me put my numbers down. Why? Why? Why would anyone want a font like that? Nobody does. You're being weird. 4. Yeah, I have STL. What the fuck? 4! I'm sorry, guys. This shit's triggering me off. You see what it's doing to me, right? It makes me put the art down and. Alright, fine. You win. Why? Why should I make it fancy? You're fighting me. I don't have time for that. Fight me all you want. Fuck you. Fuck you and fuck your shit. You mad that I ain't doing that? I ain't gonna follow your little fucking game, you little dickhead. Don't. Don't even. I will kill you. Alright, so now I need a number for 5. Yep, see? Outsmarted you, didn't I? Outsmarted you! Dickhead. Jesus. MS Paint, man. You're supposed to be the simplest fucking drawing program on the planet, and you're fighting me. Like I fucking beat your mom to death. What was that? That was 5, right? So now 6. So I'm sorry my art sucks, but fuck paint. It's kind of made me mad now. There's only so many times I'm gonna draw it. Alright, so 7's pretty urgent, I would imagine. 7. You click on a spot and have 7 bombs. You're in bad shape. Alright. And finally, bright ass red. 8. That was crazy. It's like, stop fighting me. And finally, we have the bomb. Isn't that like a religious symbol? I'm not trying to send any like holy messages here. This is a bomb. There we go. That's a bunch of pictures I just did. Now we get to load them all. Man, that pissed me off. Sorry about the anger there. That shit's like, why are you being this way to me? Alright, so we have blank. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Knockout! You know what I just forgot? We don't have question mark, and we don't have flag, where you flag it. I gotta add those. Actually, I'll leave you open. You might help me out. Open another MS Paint. Alright, so when you put a question on something, it's usually blank or hidden. So we'll do black. Ooh. I don't know what the fuck that is. Don't yell. Question. Yeah, it's exactly why. You saw how I struggled just to get 1 through 4. The MS Paint was fighting me. Freaking Paint. I don't know what that was about. Like, fuck you too, Paint. I don't need this shit. Alright, the last one is flag. Flag is pretty easy. Just draw the whoop, and then oh, really? Black. Alright, so let's handle this shit. Map equals map, number of bombs, place the bombs, calculate the bomb count. Yeah. It's perfect. Generate map. There we go. Program is now officially running. Alright, so now I need to load in all the pictures. Load in all the pictures. Except we don't need to say that. There we go. So to do that, I'm going to say what? I'm going to say that pics is equal to a new int array of the max number of pics. Then, for every pic here, I'm going to say pics sub blank, no, is equal to, yeah, I have to do it this way, is equal to text load image blank.ping. Now we repeat this for all the pictures. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bomb, flag, question, hidden. I think I got them all. Did I add hidden to my list here? Blank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bomb. Nope, sure didn't. Bomb, hidden, question, flag. There we go. Alright, so 0, 1, no. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, knockout. Bomb. What was after bomb? Hidden. And then question. And then flag. So what is that? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. One. Oh, don't shout. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you're right about that, Steve, or Bluetail. 6, 7, 8. Bomb. Hidden. Question. Flag. Now in the shutdown, I gotta unload all that, but it's a lot easier to unload. For wait. If pics, then for int ii equals 0, ii is less than max pics, plus plus ii, text, unload image, pics sub ii. And then after all that's done, delete the pics array, set it to null. There we go. That's a lot of pictures. Now we gotta make sure it works. The tile is gonna have to change. Number of neighbor bombs is still good. Revealed is good. I'm gonna call it hidden. No, revealed is good. Bomb. Flagged. Question. Good, it's all there. Alright, so in the initialize here, if the bomb is true, I think everything is just about good. So let's see what I can do here. Let's just start with the draw. For every tile. No, it's better to do this by row. For every row, and then for every column in that row. For int ii equals 0, II is less than number of rows plus plus II. In fact, I'm not going to call it II. I'm going to call it cur row. More clear. And I'm going to call you for int cur call. So cur call is less than number calls plus plus cur call. There we go. For every row and for every column in that row, figure out what the hell to draw. So if hidden, it's not hidden, is it? I done. If map sub what? I gotta do math just to figure out the index? Yeah, I do. Unless I make a function for it, which I'm going to. Calculate index. So I'm not doing that math every time I need it. Alright, so index formula is what? You give me row 1, no, row 2, column 1. Multiply the row by the columns. That's the first thing. Index equals 0. Index plus equals row times number of columns, and then add the number of the column. Return index. And I can one-line that, so let's one-line it. Return row times number of columns plus column. Bam. So back to drawing. Back to drawing, wherever it is. Here it is. Calculate index. Cur call, cur row. If revealed, if it's not revealed, draw the hidden tile. Text, draw, pix sub hidden. Is that what I called it? At what? Where do I draw it? At the cur call times 128. Cur row times 128. What's wrong with you? What are you talking about? What is wrong with you? You're integers, aren't you? Int. Oh, you bitch. You're part of the Minesweeper class. Don't be rude. There's still something wrong with you. Thank you. Pull your head out of your ass. I'm so confused by this error. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? The object has type qualifiers that are not compatible with the member function Minesweeper calculate index. I'm passing in 2 ints. I'm returning it into an int. When I go to the H, my function returns an int. It takes 2 ints. When I go to the body, int takes 2 ints. Row times num calls plus call. What is your fucking problem? I don't know. Oh. Yeah, this boss music is so needed right now. Mark. Why? Why should I mark? Why do I have to is what I want to know. I mean, I will. I just want to know why. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're absolutely right. Draw is constant. Thank you. Yes. And so, yeah, you can't call a non-constant function because it thinks you're changing the fucking class. Thank you. Yes. That's exactly what it was. I'm sitting there banging my head against a rock, yo. Yes, thank you. Sorry about that. Now, where the fuck was I? Alright, so yeah, I was drawing. Thank you, the error went away. That was a fucking headache right there. Alright, so if it's revealed, not revealed. Is it flagged? I keep reusing the index, I might as well save it for each loop. I'm sitting there like, what the fuck is going on, man? 2? Like I remember. 2 is question. I should make an enum for that, for the status. It's just I thought I was going to be doing this in console. There you go. On top. Draw a flag on top. Yeah, you're right about that. It's like, sometimes the C++ compilers are like, dude, you forgot your semicolon on line 7. It's like, oh, thank you. And then the other times it's like, you need to go ahead and like, what? Alright, not revealed. Should be good for now. There it is. This is all of our tiles, not revealed. Now, I don't know what it looks like on your guys' screen, but when I look at OBS, it's like some of the lines are missing right around here. But trust me, they're there. Alright. If map sub chosen one. Bomb? Draw a bomb. Draw a number. There we go. Else we draw a number. Man, that is a lot of brackets, but it's right. We're gonna new line it for y'all. I made the font massive so you guys could see. Normally, I promise I don't normally code with font this massive. I usually code like, well, maybe not that small, but like around there. But I figure if I'm gonna stream it, you guys might like actually being able to see it. Alright, so if I run that, this should be exactly the same. Now I need to start checking for mouse input. And actually, you know, doing stuff. Alright, so that would be in the update. If mouse or button, yeah, button pressed. 1. If they left clicked, stop doing down. 3. If they right clicked. Now I can either do this with recursion or I can do this with a for loop. I'm probably gonna do it with a, or not a for loop, but a while loop. I'm probably gonna do it with a while loop. Either way. Determine where they clicked. Determine where they clicked. Both of them need that. So I have a mouse pause. Pause is equal to, should just be a matter of just getting mouse pause. Yeah, there you go. Now, I have where they clicked. That's when I need to figure out other stuff. Column. The column they clicked on is the positions X. Shit. Open up. So if I click here, it's the size of a block divided by the size of the block. So if I did like 270 something, and a single block is 128 wide, then when I do the divide, it would come back as 2. So I would know it was 0, 1, 2. I click somewhere in that column. Now, for the row, it's the opposite. 270. Is it the opposite? No. It's still divide. Divide. 128 would equal row. Yeah, so divide for both. Alright. Divided by the width of the cell. Image width. See, everywhere I was using 128, I should have been doing this. Oh god, no, no, no. No. Look, I love you, Secret of Mana, but I can't have that right now. Hello, Worm-51 and Accidental Rebel. Appropriate. It was not exactly the best coding music. That fucking like, oh god. You want me to bring it back? I'll bring it back if I turn it down a little. My ears matter to me. Oh. Yeah, because I'll do it. I'm crazy. So everywhere I'm doing 128, I need to do this. Even though it's ugly. It's not hard-coded that way. Was that not a raid music? No, wasn't a raid music. There we go. So what am I working on? Let me see if I can build right now and I'll show you. Can I build? I can. It's Minesweeper! And right now it's just squares. And the reason I'm working on it is because I do code tutoring for a friend of mine, and right now he's working on Minesweeper. And so he ran into a problem today with the flood fill algorithm, where you click on a blank spot and all the blanks get revealed. So I told him that I would go home and make sure that I can make Minesweeper. So if I can make Minesweeper, he should be in good shape. He's doing really good. It's just he's having Stack Overflow issues thanks to his recursion. So I was going to do it in just a console, do the algorithm real quick, but console was really hard to read, so I decided, fuck it, we'll make graphics. And so that's where we're at. I was making graphics. Alright, so if they left click, determine where they left click. Same thing. Really, it should be. I'll just do the same thing. I know it's a square. So that's their column and row. So int index is there we go. Yeah, exactly. Flood fill is where it's at. So I got repeating code right here. This would probably be a good function. Why not? No, don't do it because you'll mess it up. I know you will. Really, I didn't even need to do what I just did. Steal this code. What'd you say about base? After you get the basic sweeper working, upgrade it to have some more stuff. What would I add? Oh, helps if you scope it in. Thank you. Should be good. Accidental Rebel is now following. Thank you for following, dude. I appreciate it. Suzinchi, thank you for following. I know I butchered that name. I tried though. Alright, so you plant a bomb, you terrorist? Yeah, forgot about that. Alright, so let's just do the simple shit first. If they clicked on a bomb or a number, just reveal that tile, right? However, if they clicked on a blank spot, cascade away. Wormius51, thank you for following. It's appreciated. Nice. Alright. I think it's the cascade that's going to be the challenge. That's the recursion shit, basically. So if map subindex bomb or map subindex else the cascading begins. Bam. What do I use for graphics? I'm using SDL, the SDL library, but I also made some wrapper classes for basically making SDL even easier. A wrapper for the wrapper. So this is the input class. This is the create window class. And this is the texture class. Texture, as you can imagine, is the really complicated one. Alright, so if they click on a blank spot, I've got to figure out all this next stuff. Let's make a function, yo. Do I return anything? I don't think so. I'm gonna call it cascade. It's gonna take a vector of ints called indices. I guess that's it, right? And the current index. Yeah, int current index. I think that's all I need to do a cascade. Wrapper for the wrapper, yeah, pretty much. Do I enjoy C++? I do. It can be a headache from time to time. But, but it's worth it. It was my first language, so I think that's why I'm so biased for it. Alright, so this is the function that's going to do everything. And I'm pretty sure I will be taking this logic right here. Just called cascade index. And a new vector that I haven't made yet. Maybe it'd make you change your mind someday. I'll just deal with it. Well, I work with Java and SQL and JavaScript for a living. I like to use C# to make my tools. I know Python, but I don't use it as much anymore. That's really it. Like, I could say I know Lua, but I rarely. It's been so long since I've used Lua that I basically don't remember it anymore. I gotta use cheat sheets to get by with Lua. Paste. Alright, so if I am a bomb, nope, see that doesn't apply no more. Just reveal him and then stop for him. Else, they clicked on a blank spot, it cascades away. Which means reveal me, add my neighbors to the list. Alright, so revealing me is easy. It's just this shit again. Add myself to the list. Indices, pushback, cur index. Alright, so now get my neighbors. Just get neighbors for this guy, for the current index. Then for every neighbor, so I'm not doing recursion apparently. Oh no, I will. I'll still do some recursion, just not a lot. So for every neighbor for unsigned int II equals 0, II is less than neighbors.size plus plus II. So for every neighbor, if I'm not already on that list, if who's not on that list? If the neighbor is not in the, so I gotta do a for every neighbor for everything I've already done. Ugh. JJ is less than indices. Yeah. Yeah, I've actually done one recursion in our job, Bluetail, and it worked out, but I was always nervous about that code. It never caused problems because I was so paranoid about it. I was like, man, you know, I didn't want to do it. And I could have probably gotten away with doing it a while loop, but it's just recursion really was the better choice in that. So I was like, fuck it. Alright, so if neighbors sub ii is equal to indices sub jj, then skip him. So jj equals, that'll kill that loop. Oh, I could break. I should break out of the first loop. Which would put me in the second loop, so it would keep going. So, skip him. But if I get that far... No, I can't do that because I need to do the add right here. If we get this far and no match found, add him. So... So if he's already done, not already done, then cascade on his ass with indices. Make sure I do it right. So let me see here. How much do I love JavaScript? It's growing on me. It's growing on me. When I first started it, it seemed a little too Wild West-ish, you know? Like too much of anything goes. But I'm starting to learn better the hidden rules of JavaScript, and so it's starting to grow on me a little bit. Alright, so let's see. If neighbor, add myself to the list, reveal me. Yep. But if I'm also a blank spot, then it will reveal him, add him to the list, get his neighbors, try again. Cool. That should work. If I didn't have a trillion syntax errors, apparently. It doesn't know what mouse pause is because I don't fucking have it included, for starters. And that was it. Nothing. Oh, you know what? I bet I'm not calling my fucking function. Oh, Jesus. Or I am. Oh, look at that. Cascades. Millions and millions of cascades. Looks like I got classic Stack Overflow here, man. The last part of my code was here. How big did you get? I was getting neighbor calls. Yeah, I definitely overflowed the stack. Already. Look at that. Indices. 3,000 of them. Means I'm doing something stupid. For every neighbor, check against the list. If I match, already done is true, break. if not already done. Cascade. Build systems, what I mean, just like C++. Breakpoint that shit. Did I apparently stopped it? I have no memory of stopping it. Click. Neighbors, should be 3 of them. Yep. Indices, 1 guy, myself. Yep. Alright, so for my neighbors, make sure my neighbors are right. It should be 1, 8, and 9. 1, 8, and 9. Good. Already done. If I'm not already on that list... What? Yep. Cascade. Oh, that's not good. That's wrong. That's wrong. I got it. There's my problem. Gotta pass in the right index, man. Really? Yeah! Well, we know that's 1, so therefore you're clear. Yep. We know you're 1, so... Looks like it works, wouldn't you agree? Now let's add a... Anytime I click on a... I just noticed if you click on a bomb, it cascades because the number of bombs around him was 0, and therefore it counts as a blank. So I need to make sure... In fact, I remember I took out the bomb code, so I need to make sure I put the bomb code back in. You click on a bomb, you die, and I need to make sure I do that. Yeah, how do you like my 4 and 5, by the way? There we go. Alright, so let's handle the bomb code. It would be right in the update. Update, update, update. That would be this function. Cascade. If I didn't click on a bomb, if map subindex dot bomb. So I'll fix my comment. Else. There you go. So if it's a bomb, blow the fuck up. Which right now I'll just reveal it, and we'll handle ending the game. Revealed. True. Alright. Make sure bomb works before you go any further. Really? Thank you. Alright, so this should be a bomb. Good. Y'all like my pro accidental Minesweeper skills here. Can't hit a bomb if I try. It looks like it works. So now I need to have it where when you right click, it flags. Yeah, that's true. Or at least it reveals all the rest of the bombs. You're right about that. Let's do the right click first. Alright, so if I right clicked, then map sub index dot status plus plus. Oh no is equal to map index status plus 1 modulus 3. There we go. That way it does a circle. Is that not right click? Okay, my right click's not working. Why not? Is that not button press 3, bro? Looks like button press 3 to me. Yeah, what I thought. Index 18. Oh, because I'm not drawing them, because I'm a fucking idiot. It helps if you actually had code for drawing flags and drawing question marks. Good one. Alright, so you cannot mark a revealed tile. If you know it's a bomb and it shows a bomb picture, or if it shows blank, or if it shows 1 through 8, you cannot mark those with a flag, you cannot mark those with a question mark. So this is still good. If it's revealed, it's none of my fucking business. However, if it's not revealed, this is where I need to actually care here. Oh, damn, I even have the section coded out. Here we go. Then, text, draw, pics, which one are you? You are question. And I see I still have some hard-coded numbers in there. Oh, so much to write here. Yeah, I can tell there's something wrong with you. New line. New line. Bam. Close the game, shut down on bomb? Yeah. Draw the flag. Oh, fuck. Stupid breakpoint. Yeah, you like my pro art. I immediately regret that decision. Alright, let's play, yo. Oh, come on. Fuck you too, game. Alright, obviously you're a bomb. Which means you're not a bomb. Which means you are not a bomb. 2 1 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 3 2. That should be it, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I win. Morning, Olaf. How's it going, man? Alright, so I need win conditions, obviously. Because, you know, it's nice to win. I need lose conditions. Let's see. Blow the fuck up. Clicked bomb. So let's do, void click bomb. Should be it, really. So when you click on a bomb, going all the way down. Minesweeper. Alright, so basically, how easy is it to change the board layout? I changed the number of columns and the number of rows on this pound define. I change the number of bombs right here, sets to 10. And then in main, I change the resolution so that it'll fit on the screen. So that's 4 lines of code, but it should work. But that's to leave the scale alone of 128 by 128. So if you click on a bomb, reveal every bomb, game ends. What RNG do you use? It's Rand, sorry. Alright, so for int I equals 0, I is less than num calls. Actually, times num rows plus I. If map sub II dot bomb map sub II dot revealed true. And I think the order of operations is good, but I don't trust you. Bam. Include stars. I'm guessing it filtered you for HTML or something. So let's try to click on a bomb now. Bam. Alright, there you go, game over. Obviously I gotta say game over, but it worked. Random. Alright. Include random. I've never used random before. Do I need to seed it? C++ random. Wow. What are they? I think there's two as well. I was thinking of putting a you win on the screen and a you lose on the screen. Yeah, so I'm looking up random as well. I'm looking at weird fucking random, but better. Yeah, I've noticed that. It seems like it's a bit much for a Minesweeper game. Poisoned. Oh, Poisson distribution. Exponential distribution. Gamma distribution. Are we making a Hulk here? When you put a flag in an incorrect place and hit a bomb, the flag is crossed out? Oh, you mean the wrong flag is crossed out? Okay, I can do that. Guess normal distribution. Uniform distribution is mostly what people need. Uniform int distribution. Uniform int distribution. Let's see. STD, default random engine generator. Where do you use generator again? 0 through 9. Alright. Well, I'm not going to do that much work on it, Olaf. Hold on. That's a bit much. Distribution. Looks like I can go down into where I use random, which is in place bombs. Right here. Except not in the for loop for that. And then you, also not there. And then this is my range, I guess. So a range of 0 through num called. I hope it's exclusive, because then I just say distribution generator. Oh God. I think I got it. I just don't know if it's inclusive or exclusive for the second number. I'm hoping it's exclusive. I think that's the only random, right? Random. Yeah, that's it. Here's how we find out. We try to run it, see what happens. There we go. Yeah, looks like it worked just fine. Oh, it's inclusive. If it's inclusive, I gotta change it. Shit. Alright, well, that's easy. Just this -1. There we go. Yeah, it works. Alright, thank you. Now I'm not using Rand. Alright, so what was the other thing I was gonna... Oh yeah, the flags. So let's do that thing that Bluetail was suggesting. MS Paint. File open. Flag. So apparently if you set something as a bomb, if you say that something is a bomb and then it turns out that's not a bomb, apparently it will put a red X over it, like you chose wrong or whatever. So maybe we could do dark red. There we go. There you go. Save as. Bad flag. .ping. Now, I don't have transparency, but yes. Oh, you were saving it as a bitmap, weren't you? Try that again. Bad flag. .ping. Or whatever. I don't have transparency, so I don't care. Alright, is there also a check mark for the flags you get right? Or do I just leave that as a flag? Because I only saw one picture that you were talking about, Bluetail. Let me scroll up. So let's see. Bluetail was saying... He didn't ever tell me what the other picture was. Wouldn't have played this with Rand, but now I want to pre-order it. Alright, so there's that. Let's just focus on getting bad flag. Oh. Leave that. Yeah, okay. So. Else if map sub ii dot status equals 1. Shit. Can't do that there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely aware that Rand only had so many numbers in it. Alright, so let's see. In my draw function. Draw function, there you are. I need a way to mark that the game is over. I basically need a, let's fix this. 4, 4, 4. Alright, so. Bool. I don't know, is dead maybe? I don't like that. dead. I haven't made an enum for that yet. Pigs. Sub, fucked up, no. False flag, haha. Copy. Please go down the next line, thank you. We gotta make that false flag. What did I call it that? I don't think I called it that. I called it bad flag. There, it's already unloaded. So, let's find out if I got it, huh? I think you're all bombs. Surely one of y'all is a false flag. What the fuck? Am I not calling my function again? Because I really hate when I do that. Click bomb. Oh, Alex Jones alert. I was like, what are you talking? Oh, false flag. Very true. Alright, what did I do wrong? Else, it's not revealed. Draw the hidden tile. So I draw the hidden. Then, did I put it in the wrong spot? I put it in the wrong fucking spot. I sure did. I put it in the wrong fucking spot. Look at that. Shit on me. I put it in the wrong fucking if. That's how you know your shit's getting too complicated. That's what I needed. Now I gotta fix this. Nice. There it is. There's your red flags. Of course, I can keep playing. Be like, no, I meant this. That's because I have to have my update say, if you're dead, buddy. And I could do that just pretty much for the whole function. I don't really care enough for that though. Alright, what else do I need to add here? Flag. 3. Shit. One of these is not. Yeah. Shit. That's actually really hard. Am I just stuck guessing? Yeah, I like that. There we go. Much better. You found a bug? I don't have any bug, do I? I don't think so. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Bam. I win. That's the other thing I gotta do. I gotta check for a win condition. Yeah, it's legit. So I gotta check for a win condition. So what happens with that is when I'm finished clicking and doing all my revealing, how does the win condition work in Minesweeper? Should I wait until after they're done clicking and then check that every bomb is flagged? Is that the way to do it? To where there's only, or if there's only 10 spots, you know, if the number of spots not revealed left are also the number of bombs. So if I have 10 spots left and there are 10 bombs, I won. That seems like the other way you could win. Or if you have successfully flagged all the bombs, I guess. That seems like the 2 win conditions. You either flag them all, or they're the only freaking ones left. That's sad, I don't play Minesweeper enough to know the rules. The way it works is, you click all available spaces and flag all the bombs. Okay. And that's the only win condition. I can do that. So what that means is after every time they do a click that reveals shit, and after every time that they do a flag, I need to run a function that checks for a win. It's not too bad. Check win. Minesweeper check win. Go ahead and copy that. I should probably just return. Why are you red? What's wrong? Oh, that's a fucking pound to find. God damn it. We won. Or how about winner? Ah, there we go. Yeah, I have a pound to find for win. I should probably return a bool. Or I could make that a class member. Win. No, I won't do that there. Bool 1. Knit. Gonna return a bool.
Otherwise, not a bomb and not revealed. There's no reason to have winner there. I think I got everything there. If the tile is a bomb and it's not flagged, we're not a winner. If it's not a bomb and it's not revealed, you're still not a winner. That should be it. So now let's go and actually use this function. You return a bool now. No, 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 cancel. My bad. Alright, so now let's actually put this function to work in the update. Update. That's the draw. Here's update. So if they left click, we do all this shit and then we check for win. If you right clicked, now I gotta actually have a way to check my stuff here. I have no way to know if I won or not. I guess if you win, I should probably reveal the whole map. Wouldn't you agree? No, because the map will be revealed already. Shit, I don't know. I have no way to verify if I got it except to just put a fucking breakpoint in there. Fuck it, that's what we'll do. We'll put a breakpoint when we get there. Let's win a game. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Shit. It's another guessing game, isn't it? It's like I'm stuck guessing. I hate when I have... Oh, no, no. There we go. It's a little better. 1, 2, 3. 1. Shit. I want to say it's right here. Then he'd be good. 3. Yeah, it has to be that one. Because he only has 3. So it has to be him. Therefore there's 3. Therefore there's 1. There we go. I got that shit. I didn't set the breakpoint. It's okay, I can still right click. Hold on. I can still right click. So hold on. I should still be able to right click. Remove. Alright. Set a breakpoint. True. Alright, it worked. So now I just gotta do stuff when you win. And do stuff when you lose. Other than that, though, I feel like I've pretty much finished Minesweeper here, guys. Worked out, I'd say. How about y'all? Yeah, I thought it was pretty good. It keeps doing that one. Like, okay. 1, 2, 3. This looks like the exact same map. It's not, though, I don't think. This looks a lot like the last same map. I like that. That was a guess. That was a total guess. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm gonna memorize this. I'm gonna run it again, and if it comes out to the same shit, then that random's not being random. I must have forgot to seed or something. So let's see. 2 over 1, 1, 2. So I'll just be able to click the bottom, except for those. Alright. It's not random. Something's wrong with the random. Let me see how you seed this damn thing. What the fuck? Generator. Default random engine generator. What am I doing wrong here? Let me go over to it. So I do default random engine, called a generator, uniform int distribution, int distribution. I pass in my range, 0 through the number of columns times row minus 1. And then when I need it, I say spot equals distribution, and I give it the generator. That should be it, right? I'm not so sure that random is as random as we thought there, guys. How about... Alright, I don't understand that random at all. It's ugly. Floating. Oh, I don't need floats. Definitely don't need floats. What about you? Oh, it's member function operator. I don't understand. Oh, seed. Look, there's this. Okay, got it. There we go. Gotcha. It does need time. I just looked at the wrong freaking page, apparently. Bam. Now it's seeded. Now it should be random. Yep, okay, that's different. Oh yeah, hell yeah, much different. Now random is truly random, we're good. 4, holy crap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Damn, I guessed wrong. Shh, that's bullshit. I definitely need a play again button, don't I? When you lose. Two. Shh. Not very good at guessing anymore. Alright, well that's good enough for me for now. Alright, I'm going to end this stream here. If you're on YouTube, I need you to hit that like button. If you're on Twitch, I would ask you to stay on because we're going to raid somebody. Of course, they won't be a programmer, they'll be playing some sort of game. So let's see, who are we going to raid? Let's raid. What? There's no way he's still streaming. This list isn't accurate. You're a fucking liar. Yeah. Because I was part of that stream, so there's no way. Alright, we're gonna raid Katie O'Lee. Rand considered harmful? Alright, I'll check that out. Thank you. Raid Katie O'Lee. Did I get that right? O'Lee. And go. Rating in 10 seconds. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice night. See y'all around.